When someone comes to us with a problem at their facility, we look at the design and ask them, what's the goal? And we have such a diverse group with diverse backgrounds that we bring a lot of talent to the table. And so it really helps to pull things together and make a difference in the products that we can produce. We're on call 24/7. If a plant breaks down, we're able to get a crew together, or we can manufacture parts on the fly. We've gone all over the country helping to solve problems. We started off in Oklahoma. As we grew, we knew that we had to have a bigger place. And we talked with Sedco and the programs available through Sedco and helped us make the decision to come here. So we bought this facility. We went from 16,000 square foot to 96,000 square foot, and we're continuing to grow. It's great to come into Sherman. They've welcomed us. They've helped us to find good employees. Industrial maintenance technologies, we bring in kids every Friday to learn how to do maintenance and work on equipment. It's a trade that needs to be built up. You know, if they just get into something working with their hands and with that intelligence, they can go somewhere after this and have a good paying job. All the plant managers get together and go around and visit every manufacturing plant around the region. So there's a lot of opportunity where actually we serve each other's needs. Some advantages about being in Sherman too is accessibility. There's highways going north and south, east and west. We can get to our customers very quickly. The community is good. We're able to hire good employees. We can get homes much more reasonable price. And it's an awesome place to be. I wouldn't trade it. It's been phenomenal to be here in a town that cares about the industry, that cares about manufacturing, that helps us to grow.